Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can do an editing simply with only your iPhone without any editing application. So you just need to right away open your photo library right here, tap it, and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to edit. And let's say here I would like to edit this picture. This is the raw picture that I got, and let's make this picture much more better. So you just need to tap into the picture and take a look on the top side, click this edit. The next you will got this editing section. This one could be an adjust, so you can adjust everything about the picture here, but it could be takes time because it just we need to do inner details. If you want to have like a super simple fast way to edit this picture to be better, take a look on this button feature that could be a filters that, and then you just need to pick the filters that you want to apply. So you can just find which type of the editing that you want to get. So after you find one, I could be choosing this dramatic or this dramatic one. These two bring the pictures much more better, you'll see. And after you got one of the best that you want, so you just need to adjusting the intensity by drag this point into the right side to reducing the effects of being applied into the picture. So you will see after you're done, you can see before and after. This is before we edit, and this is after we edit. Now after you satisfied with the result, just go tap done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. Let's move again into other tutorial.